Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Maharan, Maharashtra ran 45 years old lady drowns as IMD predicts monsoon to withdraw by October 5. In the aftermath of heavy rains in Mumbai on Wednesday, a 45-year-old lady drowned in an open drain in the MIDC area of Andheri. BMC officials said a 45-year-old lady, Vimal Gaikwad, drowned in an open drain in the IMDC area of Andheri. She was rescued by the Mumbai Fire Brigade and sent to Copper Hospital but was declared dead by doctors. Railway commuters walked on tracks at the Chunbati railway station as Mumbai faced severe waterlogging followed by torrential rains. Severe waterlogging and traffic signals was witnessed in several parts of the city, with a landslide also reported at the Mumbra bypass, causing further disruptions to movement in the city. Severe waterlogging witnessed in Mumbai's Kurla East area, Nehru Nagar, Chamber and heavy traffic signals was witnessed on Kurla Bridge following the rain. Heavy rains triggered a landslide at Mumbra bypass at around 11:30 p.m., which disrupted traffic movement on bypass and lasted for more than 3 hours. Fire officer Swapnilal Sarabnoth said the traffic jam persisted for about 3 hours. During this period, the traffic department also controlled the traffic from one side. Fortunately, there is no news of any loss of life. After removing the stones from the road with JCB, the movement of vehicles going towards Thane started. In a post on X, Mumbai police said, in view of the red alert in Mumbai and suburbs issued by IMD, a holiday has been declared for all schools and colleges for tomorrow, 26th September 2024. Mumbaikars are requested to stay indoors until essential. Please stay safe. Dial 100 in case of any emergencies. BMC Commissioner Bhushan Gagarni took stock of the rain situation in the city. BMC said in a statement the Indian Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for Mumbai till tomorrow morning at 8:30 am. In view in view of this, all schools and colleges in Mumbai have been declared a holiday for tomorrow, Thursday, 26 September 2024. In consideration of the safety of students, the Brunmal Municipal Corporation administration requests Mumbai Kurds to step out of homes only if required. Pune District Collector Dr. Suhas Divas announced a public holiday for all schools and colleges in Pune city and Pimri Chinchwad on Thursday in view of instant rain as predicted by IMD. IMD has issued an orange alert for tomorrow in the Pune district. Earlier in the day, IMD issued a red alert for Thane, Palghar and Raigad districts, while for Ratnagiri district on September 26. On September 25, in its daily weather bulletin for the nation, IMD predicted heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Konkan and Goa, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam, East Madhya Pradesh, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Marathwada, coastal Karnataka, Bihar, heavy rainfall at isolated places over Rayalaseema, Gujarat region, Chhattisgarh, West Madhya Pradesh, Gangtik, West Bengal, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, interior Karnataka and Telangana. Thank you guys for watching this.